पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यम् श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यम् तन्तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरोन् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। श्लोक 11 अध्याय 16 चिन्तामपरिमेयाञ्च प्रलयान्तामुपाश्रिताः कामोपभोगपरमाः एतावदिति निश्चिताः। Bhagavan is explaining the Asura Bhuta Sarga, the people who have Asuri Sampat. Cha, cha means also, in addition to the previous descriptions. Pralayantam aparimeyam chintam upashritaha. They are full of worries, chinta, chintam upashritaha. They take recourse to chinta, worry, and their worry is never ending. Aparimeyam. It is aparimeya, means it cannot be measured. The intensity cannot be measured. Means it is very intense chinta. And pralayantam, it does not come to an end in time. Pralayanta, up to pralaya. So what will happen to me in future? So up to death, they will have the chinta. So pralayanta means marananta. It comes to an end only with death. Kamopabhoga paramaha. Kamopabhoga, enjoyment of the kama. Kama means the pleasurable objects. Enjoyment of the pleasurable objects is the only goal, the ultimate goal for them. Such people are called kamopabhoga paramaha. Enjoyment of pleasurable objects is their ultimate goal. एतावदिति निश्चिताः. So etavat eva, according to them, the life is only this much. The purpose of life is only this much. Meaning, the purpose of life is only to enjoy this world. There is nothing beyond this world. Iti nishchitaah. They are convinced. They are convinced that this much alone is the purpose of life. Bhashya. Kincha चिंताम अपरिमेयाञ्च न परिमातुं शक्यते अस्याः चिन्तायाः इयत्ता सा अपरिमेया ताम अपरिमेयां प्रलयान्तां मरणान्तां उपाश्रिताः सदा चिन्तापरा इत्यर्थः. Kincha, the word cha is taken. Kincha, cha is kincha. Also, aparimeyam न परिमातुं शक्यते अस्याः चिन्तायाः इयत्ता. So परिमातुं शक्या परिमेया, परिमातुं शक्या परिमेया, न परिमेया अपरिमेया. So न परिमातुं शक्यते, it cannot be measured. What cannot be measured? अस्याः चिन्तायाः इयत्ता. The iyatta means quantity. The quantity of this chinta cannot be measured. Means too much of chinta. If they start telling about their chinta, it will never get over. You will wonder. People can worry about such things also. You will wonder. But for them it is there. What will happen to my children when they grow old? What will happen to my grandchildren when they grow old? So many chintas are there. What will my children do with my house after our death? So many chintas. So, aparimeyan chinta pralayantam means maranantam. So, maranam antaha yasyaha sa marananta. The culmination is in marana, in death. The chinta stops only in death. So even in deathbed, they will have the chintas. Sada chintaparaha ityarthaha. Bhashyakara is stating the purport of this line. Sada chintaparaha. They are always having chinta. They have chinta always. कामोपभोगपरमा कामोपभोगपरमाः काम्यन्ते इति कामाः शब्दादयः तदुपभोगपरमाः अयमेव परमः पुरुषार्थः यः कामोपभोगः इत्येवं निश्चितात्मानः एतावदिति निश्चिताः। कामोपभोगपरमाः. Here the word kama should be taken as karma vyutpatti. Kamyante iti kama. That which is desired is called kama. Karma vyutpatti. Shabdadayaha. What happened? Kamyante. Kamyante. Kamyante iti kama. Karmani. Yeah. काम्यन्ते इति कामाः शब्दादय shabda etc. meaning the objects. Shabdadayah vishaya, the sense objects. Tad upabhoga paramaha. So kamanam upabhogaha, kamopabhogaha, kamopabhogaha, paramaha yeshante kamopabhoga paramaha. So first Shashti Tat Purusha, then Bahuvrihi Samasa. Ayameva Paramaha Purusharthaha Yaha Kamopabhogaha. So now Etavaditi Nishchitaha. Bhashyakara is explaining this line. Etavaditi Nishchitaha. So Etavat iti, only this much. Only this much means Ayameva Paramaha Purusharthaha. This alone is the Parama Purushartha. What? Yaha Kamopabhogaha. The Kamopabhoga. The enjoyment of the objects. Ityevam Nishchitatmanaha. They have such a conviction. They have the conviction that only enjoyment is the ultimate goal of life. आशापाशशतैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेनार्थसञ्चयान् अन्यायेनार्थसञ्चयान् आशापाशशतैः बद्धाः. They are bound by hundreds of ropes of desire. Ashapasha. Ashaha eva pashaha ashapashaha. Karmadhanaya samasa. Asha, desires. or pasha, the ropes, or noose. Desires are the noose. Ashapashanam shatani. Ashapasha shatani. Taihi ashapasha shataihi. Hundreds of ashapasha. Baddhaha. They are bound. They are tied up. Kamakrodha parayanaha. Their ultimate refuge is kama and krodha. Means they hold on to kama and krodha, desire and anger. They are not ready to give up their desire and anger. Kama bhogartham anyayena arthasanchayan ihante. Kama bhogartham. In order to enjoy the kama, the objects, anyayena, illegitimately, arthasanchayan ihante. They work for accumulation of wealth. Illegitimately, for enjoyment of the sense objects. Bhashya आशापाशशतैः आशाः एव पाशाः तच्छतैः आशापाशशतैः बद्धाः नियन्त्रिताः सन्तः सर्वतः आकृष्यमाणाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः कामक्रोधौ परम् अयनम् परः आश्रयः येषान्ते कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते चेष्टन्ते कामभोगार्थम् कामभोगप्रयोजनाय न धर्मार्थम् अन्यायेन अर्थसञ्चयान् अर्थप्रचयान् अन्यायेन परस्वहरणादिना इत्यर्थः। आशापाशशतैः आशाः एव पाशाः आशापाशाः कर्मधारय समास। The asha itself is pasha, noose. So asha is like noose. That is why it is equated to noose. Tat shataihi means ashapashanam shataihi. Tesham ashapashanam shataihi. Hundreds of ashapasha. Shataihi means not 100, many hundreds. Bahuvachana. Baddhaha, niyantritaha. नियंत्रिताः सन्तः सर्वतः आकृष्यमाणाः. बद्धाः equal to नियंत्रिताः सन्तः सर्वतः आकृष्यमाणाः. They are niyantritaha. They are restrained, constrained by asha pasha. And not only they are constrained, they are pulled from all directions. Sarvataha, from all directions. Akrishyamanaha, they are pulled. See, when an animal is caught with the noose, what happens? Two things happen. Number one, it cannot move in the direction it wants to move. Its freedom to move in a desired direction is restrained. Meanwhile, it is pulled to a direction that it does not want to move. So that is why niyantritaha santaha. First of all, they are constrained. And then sarvataha akrishyamana. They are pulled towards all directions helplessly. कामक्रोधपरायणाः कामक्रोधौ परम् अयनं परः आश्रयः येषां ते कामक्रोधपरायणाः. So kama and krodha are param ayanam. Param ayanam means paraha ashrayah, the greatest refuge, the greatest support is kama krodha. Te kama krodha parayana means they hold on to kama krodha very tightly. They are not ready to give up their kama krodha. Ihante cheshtante, they work, they make effort, they strive. What do they strive for? Artha sanchayan ihante. Artha sanchayan is equal to artha prachayan, accumulation of wealth. They put effort to accumulate wealth. What for? Kama bhogartham, kama bhoga prayojanaya, for the purpose of enjoyment of kama, the desirable objects. Na dharmartham, not for dharma. Generally, in the tradition, even the accumulation of wealth was considered to be meant for dharma. Dharma used to be the primary purpose of accumulation of wealth. That is why Bhashyakara says these people do not accumulate wealth for the sake of dharma. Instead, they accumulate wealth for kama. The artha has to be accumulated for dharma, whereas these people accumulate it for the sake of kama. Anyayena, how do they accumulate wealth? Not legitimately, illegitimately. Paraswaharanadina ityarthaha. Anyayena, illegitimately, means by robbing the wealth of others, etc. Robbing others' wealth or cheating others, etc. Idamadya maya labdham. Idamadya, not adhya. Not adhya. Adhya. Alpa pran. Idamadya maya labdham. Imam prapsye manoratham. Sorry. Yeah. Not imam. Idam. Idam prapsye manoratham. Idamastidamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam. Yeah. So here idam prapsye manoratham. Perhaps Bhashyakara also had the same reading. There can be another reading. There is a versional difference. Imam prapsye manoratham. Instead of idam, it is imam. Yeah. Idam adya maya labdham. So now Bhagavan explains their intentions, the intentions of the Asura people, the thought process of the Asura people. What do they think? How do they think? What is their thought pattern? It is being explained. Idam adyamaya labdham. I attained this today. Adya, today. Maya, by me. Idam labdham. This is attained. This is gained. Idam manoratham prapsye. I will attain. I will attain. Idam prapsye. I will attain. What is that? Manoratham. My desired object. Another object of my desire I will attain soon. Idam asti. I have this. Idam api me. Idam api dhanam. Punaha me bhavishyati. I will get this wealth in future. Idam asti. This much, this I already have. Punaha. Then idam api dhanam me bhavishyati. I will have this wealth also in future. Now I have 1 crore. I will have 10 crore late in future. So they keep aspiring for more. They are not happy with what they have. They want more. So there is a greed for getting more and more. So idrishascha tesham abhiprayaha. Tesham abhipraya. Their thought process. Idrishaha is of this nature, this kind. Idam dravyam. अद्य इदानीं मया लब्धम् इदं च अन्यत् प्राप्स्ये मनोरथम् मनस्तुष्टिकरम् इदं च अस्ति इदमपि मे भविष्यति आगामिनि संवत्सरे पुनः धनं तेन अहं धनी विख्यातः भविष्यामि इदं द्रव्यं this dravya this material this substance adya idanim adya means now adya can be used in the sense of today also here it is now maya labdham it is attained by me idancha anyat prapsye I will attain this also manoratham manastushtikaram manoratham means manastushtikaram that which pleases the mind is called manoratha so I will get this manoratha in future idancha asti I have this idam api me bhavishyati I will get this will also become mine when agamini samvatsare in the next year in the following year punaha again dhanam the wealth the money idam dhanam this money will be mine in the next year so I will get more tena aham dhani vikhyato bhavishyami and by that aham dhani vikhyato bhavishyami I will become wealthy and I will become famous so they have a desire for an never ending desire for not just a desire it is a greed an unquenchable greed for wealth and fame असौ मया हतः शत्रुः हनिष्ये चापरानपि ईश्वरोऽहमहं भोगी सिद्धोऽहं बलवान् सुखी see here the qualities of an asura person are explained by explaining the thought process see here shloka 13 this kind of thought process indicates kama and lobha desire and greed now shloka 40 this kind of thought process shows krodha or dvesha krodha and dvesha asau shatruhu maya hataha asau shatruhu that shatru one particular shatru one particular enemy is killed by me maya hataha he is killed by me Aparan api hanishye. I will kill others also. Aham Ishvaraha. I am the Ishvara. I am the Lord. So now this is Atiman. Atimana Ishvara. I am the Ishvara. Aham Bhogi. I am the enjoyer. I am enjoying the life better than others. Aham Siddhaha. I am the accomplished person. Aham Balavan. I am powerful. Aham Sukhi. I am the happy person. Bhashya. Asau Devadatta Maya Hataha Durjayah Shatruhu Hanishye cha Anyan Varakan api Kim ete karishyanti Tapasvinaha Sarvathapi Nasti Mattulyaha Ishvaraha Aham Aham Bhogi Sarva Prakarena cha Siddhaha Aham Sampannaha Putraihi Pautraihi Natrabihi न केवलम मानुषः अहम. What is your reading? No. No. बलवान सुखी च अहमेव अन्ये तु भूमिभाराय अवतीर्णः. So asau, is it? Last part is not. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Asau, asau shatru, that shatru. Bhashyakara gives a name to that shatru. Devadatta Nama. Bhashyakara is supplying the name. The shatru called Devadatta. Maya hataha. Durjayah shatru. He is a Durjaya. Durjaya means difficult to conquer, difficult to defeat. That kind of shatru is hataha, is killed by me. Hanishye cha anyan varakan api. Anyan varakan api. Other varakas. Varaka means idiots. Other idiots also I will kill. Kim ete karishyanti tapasvinah. So Bhashyakara is supplying some ideas. Ete tapasvinah. So this gentleman looks at some tapasvis who are leading a simple life. So ete tapasvinah, these tapasvis, these sannyasis, vanaprasthas, etc. Ekim karishyanti. What will they do? They are waste. They are useless. They are not enjoying the life. They have no job, no money. That is why they are doing like this. Sarvathapi nasti mattulyah. Sarvathapi, by any means, by all means. Mattulyah nasti. Nobody is equivalent to me. Nobody is equal to me. Ishwaraha aham. I am the Ishwara. I am the Lord. Aham bhogi. I am the bhogi. I am the one who enjoys. Sarva prakarena cha siddha aham. I am siddha. I am accomplished in all respects. Sarva prakarena. In all respects, I am the siddha. I am the accomplished person, the most successful person. So how successful? Sampannaha putraihi pautraihi naptrabhihi. Putraihi pautraihi naptrabhihi cha sampannaha. I am endowed with sons, grandsons. Yeah, pautra means grandson. Napta means daughter's son. Daughter's son, son's son. Pautra means son's son. Natra means a daughter's son. I have all of them. That is why I am accomplished. So he will boast like this. Na kevalam manushaha aham. I am not just an ordinary human being. Na kevalam manushaha. I am not an ordinary human being. Balavan sukhi cha ahameva. I am balavan. I have power. Sukhi cha. I am happy. Ahameva. Anye tu bhumi bharaya avatirna. All others, they are born just for causing weight to the earth. They are just weight on the earth. Means useless. All others are useless. Adhyobhijanavaanasmi. Konyosti sadrisho maya. Yakshe dasyami modishye. Ityajnana vimohitaha. Aham adhyah abhijanavan asmi. Aham adhyah. Adhyah means rich. I am rich. Aham abhijanavan asmi. I have noble relatives. Abhijana means noble relatives. One who has noble relatives means one who is born in a noble family is called Abhijanavan. He has a good pedigree. Konyosti sadrisho maya. Maya sadrishaha anyaha kaha asti. Who else is there equal to me? aham yakshye. So up to this it is all atimana. Now dambha. Yakshye, I do yajna. Dambha, because he is making a show that he is a dharmika person. Yakshye, I do yajnas. Sorry, I will do yajnas. Future. Yakshye. Dasyami, I will give dana. He has not yet given. In fact, this is a commonplace thing, especially for people like me. Many people tell so many things. I will give you this, but hardly a small percentage is visibly given, practically given. Dasyami, I will give. Modishye, I will enjoy. Iti ajnana vimohita. In this manner, ajnana vimohita. They are deluded by ajnana. Modishya is because of sandhi. Modishye plus iti. Echo yavayavaha. Modishya iti. Then lopashakalyasya. The yakara will get dropped. That is why modishya iti. If you do sandhi. Without sandhi, if you break, modishye iti. Adhyaha dhaneena abhijaneena abhijanavan saptapurusham sotriyatwadi sampannaha tenapi न मम तुल्यः अस्ति कश्चित् कः अन्यः अस्ति सदृशः तुल्यः मया किंच यक्ष्ये यागेनापि अन्यान् अभिभविष्यामि दास्यामि नटादिभ्यः मोदिष्ये हर्षञ्च अतिशयं प्राप्स्यामि इत्येवम् अज्ञानेन विमोहिताः अज्ञान विमोहिताः विविधम् अविवेक भावम् आपन्नाः आढ्यः rich dhaneena adhyah, rich in terms of wealth, money. Dhaneena adhyah. So dhaneena is itham bhute tritiya. Itham bhute tritiya. Dhaneena adhyah. Itham bhuta lakshane. So the wealthiness is known by seeing his money, how much money he has. So dhanena adhyah. So he displays the money. I have this much. He will wear good cloth, etc. So he displays his money. That is how his richness is known. That is why dhanena adhyah. Abhijanena abhijanavan. So abhijanena, on account of Abhijana, the great relatives. Abhijanena may not be there in some readings. Is there? No. Yeah. Yeah. It is not needed. Abhijanena is not necessary. Abhijanavan is enough. So Abhijanavan means Saptapurusham Shotriyatwadi Sampannaha. Saptapurusham for 7 generations. Shotriyatwadi Sampannaha. For 7 generations, we are highly educated. Means even the previous 7 generations or previous 6 generations, they are highly educated, highly honored, etc. Such people are called Abhijanavan, one who has Abhijana, one who has noble ancestors, one who belongs to a noble family. Tenapi mama tulyaha asti kaschit. Tena api, even in terms of that, mama tulyaha kaschit na asti. Nobody is equal to me. Kaha anyaha asti sadrishaha tulyaha maya. Who else is there equal to me? Sadrishaha means tulyaha, equal to me or similar to me. Who is there? Kincha also. Yakshe, I will do yajna means yagena api anyan abhibhavishyami. I will overpower others. I will overtake others even in terms of yajna. So his attitude towards yajna is also in order to compete with the others. I have done more yajna than others in order to show that he wants to do yajna. So yajnena api yagena api anyan abhibhavishyami. I will overtake others even in terms of yajna. So he will perform a yajna, take photographs and publish it in Facebook. Dasyami natadibhyaha. I will give to who? Natadibhyaha, to actors, etc. Actors or dancers, etc. I will become a patron. I will patronize the artists. Modishye harshancha atishayam prapsyami. Modishye means atishayam harsham cha prapsya. I will get a lot of pleasure. I will get a lot of pleasure. Ityevam, in this manner, ajnanena vimohita. Ajnana vimohita. So, ajnanena vimohita. They are deluded by ajnana. Vimohitaha means vividham aviveka bhavam apannaha. We means vividham, in many ways. Aviveka bhavam apanna means deluded. They are deluded in many ways, confused in many ways, full of delusion. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ